For the sake of those who are just joining us, so I will be giving you the app we'll be using to design. So now, let's assume you don't have the application on your phone before. So let's just go to Play Store and search for Pixellab. Pixellab. You see, you see Pixel Cut AI photo editor and you see Pixellab. So text on Pixellab text on picture. So this is the one we'll be using. So I already have it installed on my own phone. That is the reason why it's telling me to open. So I'm going to open it now because I already have it installed on my phone. Open. Okay, let me delete this text first. So now when you come here, when you click on this stuff here, you see my project default scene. You see different template there. If I click on this, it will appear there. If I click on this, it will appear there. Click on this, it will appear there. So these are templates that are already there before. And this my project. It will show all the works I have done on it before. So you see this is the work I've done there before. So click on that mark. So now if you want to change it to your own preferred color, just come here. Once you click there, come to color, then change it to the color you want. Let's assume we want it to be white now. White. Then you can see this is the template we choose, so that's the size it's going to maintain. So I want to do this test now. Just come to text, delete, come here and delete. Now when you are working on Pixellab, you always work in layers. So now if you want to see the layers are presently we have no layers here. If you see, we only have one thing here. Look at this, we only have this one. We only have it. You can see it's highlighting it. You only have this here. Let me try and change the color. See, you only have this here. You only have this here. So if I don't want it there, I'll just delete it. So I don't have anything on this screen again. So now if you want to change, if you want to save your work, let's assume I've opened a new project like this. Then you click on this sign. You see save as project, save as image. Then you click on save as project. Now you will now input what you want to use to save your project. Let's assume I want to use simple design. Okay, that's how to save your project. So now let's assume we want to do a simple design. Now we want to do a simple design. Just come here. You don't want it to be white, you want to use any other color, or let's just leave it as white. It's already in white. So it's already in white, so let's just leave it as white like that. And you want to add text to it, just click here. You see text and quotes. Quotes comes with this application itself. When you click on quotes, you will see different kind of code there, but we are not using quotes now. Just delete it. So you come to text. When you come to text, it's going to bring this new text. Then you click on this edit. So after clicking on edit, it will bring it like this, that you should edit the text. Then you just put any text you want to put there. Simple design. Okay, then you can increase it. If you want this design to come down, click on edit, then bring it down. You can change it to capital letter here. Okay, see that? So you can bring it back. Let me go back. You can bring it back. See, position, relative position. You see this relative position, if you click on it, you see aligned to the left side, align to the right side, align center, align to the middle center, align bottom and align top. So now this one has the text has run away, so you just have to bring it back. Just click on center, so it has bring the text back to center. Mark. Then you can now change the color. Sorry, let's bring it back to center now. So for you to reduce the text size without reducing it with your screen, just come to size and reduce till you are satisfied. So let us bring it here. Click on mark. Now this is the normal default font that your text will always come when you write anything. So now if you want to change this font to another font, you just have to come here, click on fonts. Then you see different kind of fonts there that is available. These are default fonts. My fonts are fonts that you downloaded and added to your Pixellab. So that is that on that my font. So and this recent will show the recently used fonts. Yes, font that you have used recently. So it's going to show that there. So let us use this one. Okay, simple design. Then you want to change the color, move to where you find color, click on color, then you can use, okay, let's use this color pink for now. Now I've put that. Now let's assume, oh, if you want to put your, if you want to import image now, you want to import image, just click on this one at the center. You will see image, draw, shapes, pressure. But let's just take the two one by one. So just click on import. So import. So let me bring what I want to bring in. Okay, browse. So to reduce this, you can come here. You see relative size is different from the other one of text. Just click on it. Reduce, increase, reduce, increase. Then you can move it like this, or you use this one. If you want to move it little by little, if you want to move it faster, see. So let us bring it back. Then let us use our hand to move it. You can use that to move it, but I prefer using this. So you see your design is dope already, and you want to add some kind of vibes to it like that to make it more more sweet. So you just have to let us add shape to some areas to make it more attractive. Okay, so you notice I'm only using one color. Yes, that's because color is very key in designing. It's very key, very key. So I'm going to use the same pink I used there. Yes, I'm going to use the same pink I used other side. I'm going to use the same pink. So now click on this. This is layer. I told you earlier to show all the layers you have in your design. So you see this one is the one that is up. This woman follows and simple design at the other side. So it means simple design is below this woman while the shape is above the woman. So now I want to bring that shape below the woman now. So now just have to click here and drag it down. Then click back on that layer. Click yes, click on back on that layer sign. Then you see it's not showing like before. So you want to click that again. Let us come here, click on the shape. But I don't want, if I click on that shape, I should be mistakenly clicking on that woman or the simple design. So what I have to do in that case is that I will lock the simple design and lock this woman as well, so that whenever I click, it's not going to select it for me. It will only select the one that is unlocked. So let me select this now and click back on this icon. Then come to color. You must make sure is at this middle one. If you want to do anything relating to shape, you come to color. Then that same color we use for this one. Yes. Then let's lock it. But I need this shape again because I want to use it to make something like simple, just a stylish, to spicy it up. So let me click on this edit sign. You see this one that is representing copy. Then click on it. Okay. Then I will bring it here. I think it's okay here. Now I will now send it to the back. So I'll send it to the back like that. So I can decide to, when you click on this plus, it means you want to add some a little bit of adjustment to your color. So let me just click on the plus to add a little bit of adjustment. So let me bring it down a bit. Let's bring it down a bit. Okay. Now that same shape that I duplicate, I will duplicate it again one more time, then move it like this. So let me just go back to the main color, then take it. So let's take it above that one. Let's reduce it this way. Let's see what we have. It will be okay like this. So our design is already okay like this. So let's add a quote. Let's add a quote there to make it more okay. See this sign here, it's representing quotes. See this one here is representing quotes. So let us click on the quotes icon here. You can see different kind of this thing, motivation. So let us change it to something else. So let's just use this one. Since it's a tutorial, let's choose one and call it again. Okay. Okay, this is it. Okay. Now there is something I want to show you about the text. You can see everything. When I move it like this, the text will adjust itself. Yes, that is the way it will be. And when I balance this design, I reduce this text not to be much bigger. If it's too big, then they will not be balancing your design. So you have to reduce it to something that will make your design look perfect and balanced. So now you can see the text is aligned center. Yes, but I don't want it to be aligned center. I want it to be aligned right. So this is how we are going to do it. We are under text, right? So just come to this one, align, then click on align. So once you click on align, click on, it's already centered. Click on center, it's already centered already. So I want to make it aligned left. So I have to click on this one. So it's already aligned left. So one thing you observe is that the simple design and the quote, they are not on the same line. So I have to adjust the honest and the design and the simple to make sure that they are on the same line. So that's one of the things that will disqualify a design if it lacks alignment. So now let's give that an alignment now. So let's click on the text, then come to this. You see relative position is to move to the top, down, left, right, and center. So we are not going to use that in that case. So we just come to position. So click on the one that is that is pointing right. Yes. Click again. Now it is now aligned to left and is aligning to the simple design. But one thing, the hand is moving too close to the woman, so we can reduce it a bit to perfect that. Yes. Okay, so let's lock that layer. Okay, this is just a simple design. Thank you for watching. If you have benefit one or two things from this video, kindly like, subscribe, comment and share, and see you in the next one.